Farm Traveler. We're in my kitchen and not at a farm. Sorry, we'll get there one day, I promise. So today I've got some beef with you, or actually for you, like a little beefsteak. So maybe you've wondered why you can cook some meats a little bit and eat them raw or undercooked, and why you have to cook some thoroughly to make sure you don't get sick. Today we're going to talk about that. So fish, which I have this Publix sushi, it's not gas station sushi, I promise you. Never eat that. Fish, whenever it's caught, is either flash frozen or cooked pretty quickly. And whether it's frozen or cooked immediately, that kills all the bacteria, so you're good. Chicken and pork, on the other hand, are a little bit different. Chicken and pork both have salmonella or E. coli bacteria on them, and cooking them thoroughly makes sure it gets rid of all the bacteria. Chicken, you want to make sure you cook it to an ideal temperature of 165 degrees internally, because chicken has a very thin flesh, meaning bacteria can travel from the surface to the inside, so that way you want to make sure that you can cook it thoroughly so you don't get sick. Kind of just like pork. Beef, on the other hand, you can pretty much just sear it on the outside and eat it to where it's red on the inside and you're fine. That's because beef is a very thick flesh and bacteria doesn't travel through it easily. So any bacteria that's on the outside, whenever you sear it, it's dead. So you're Gucci. If you've ever cooked beef or any other red meat, you might have remembered a red liquid that comes out of it, and some people may say, oh, that's blood, or your Uncle Phil may say, oh, I like my steak so bloody. It's actually not blood. What it is, it's a protein called myoglobin. When meat, for example the steak, when it's frozen, the water molecules on the inside turn into ice crystals. When it thaws out, those ice crystals puncture the muscle fibers, and then the water and the myoglobin leak out. Now it's red because it has iron in it, so it's not actually blood, it's just myoglobin. Chicken does the same thing, but because chicken has a little bit less iron, it doesn't have nearly as much myoglobin, so it's not going to be red. So next time your Uncle Phil says that, call him out on it. So now you know why you need to cook some meats thoroughly and why some you can eat raw. And you know that blood is actually just myoglobin and not blood. So thanks for stopping by Farm Traveler today. Please be sure to check us out at the links below. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube channel, and maybe next time we'll one day be at a farm. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Cooking your chicken to 165 degrees can make sure that all that bacteria is killed off, just like Han Solo was in The Force Awakens. Sorry, Star Wars joke. That was stupid. God, why did I do that?